Virute Radio Frequency, or RF, is the most sophisticated RF microneedling experience available. We are proud to be the first and only practice in Connecticut to offer 2 new treatments using the Virute RF platform, the Exact RF and the Deep RF, both of which are FDA cleared. Virute RF is the most advanced RF microneedling device for a proven, non-invasive way to visibly improve skin tone, tighten skin, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And now we have more ways to customize treatments with the 2 new handpieces. The Deep RF handpiece is an exclusive robotic precision delivery system to administer the radio frequency energy to the desired depth. Deep RF can treat the cheeks, the submental area, arms, abdomen, inner and outer thighs, and even the buttocks. Let's see how it works. Today we're treating Marcel for the 2nd time, and we're doing the jowling. So she's had this last time. How did you do afterward?
It was red and a bit mottled afterwards, but it was swollen for 2-3 days. Redness maybe for about 4.
Okay, did you have to take Tylenol or Advil?
No.
Good.
Not at all. I did use the cream, and that helped. That was soothing, and that was it.
Well, did you find the procedure pretty tolerable?
Definitely.
Okay, good. And how about the results? Did you see any results?
I didn't in the beginning, but it took about maybe 3 weeks, and I could feel that it was starting to lift up a bit, and if I looked in the mirrors from the side, it looked a little thinner.
Terrific. Prior to this procedure starting, we've numbed Marcel for 30 minutes with a topical numbing cream. We've also marked her out exactly where we're going to treat, and as you can see, it's going to be the same treatment area as last time. So we're treating Ken for the 2nd time on his jowls. In men, jowls are a common treatment site, and frequently this needs a couple of treatments because there can be some deeper fat pads in there. Ken, how are you tolerating it today?
Fine. Was it a scale of 1 to 10? Probably 2.
You don't
Very
seem
well.
to be flinching. All we had done previously is topically numb him with a topical numbing cream for a half hour. And as you see, he's going to get his eye bags done as well. So Marcel has completed her jowls treatment with the Deep RF machine. And right now, Cynthia's putting on the hydrogel, the firming body lotion, which she's going to go home with and use. That is really the only post-care needed. So she's going to apply this daily. How did it feel, Marcel?
It feels great. The procedure itself, you could feel a sensation as you were moving along, but not painful at all. And this gel feels great on your neck. So.
Sounds good. To get the best results out of her Deep RF treatment, we want Marcel to be applying that firming body lotion twice a day in between treatment sessions. So she's really going to use up that bottle. There can be tiny little scabs that can occur after treatment, and you would want to at least use the firming body lotion until those scabs fall off in about a week or so. It's not uncommon for those what we call micro scabs to form at the treatment site, and those are part of the healing process and should be left to disappear on their own. As far as home care, she's just going to use a gentle cleanser with cool water to keep the skin clean. She's going to avoid sun exposure and always use SPF. She's going to avoid strenuous exercise for 1 to 3 days, and probably she could resume her normal skincare routine in 3 days.